Gimbal systems are all the rage these days. We've covered several action camera examples, and now with the smartphone cameras breaking the 4K barrier, handheld gimbal systems now extend to the smartphone market. Feiyu-Tech are serious players with their gimbal systems and now extend their range with a solution for Apple iPhone owners in particular, the SPG. Those who have considered motorized stabilisation systems will most likely have heard of Feiyu-Tech, the China-based company responsible for some of the best performing gimbals available. Now Feiyu-Tech have taken their extensive gimbal knowledge and created a solution tailored for Apple iPhone users, named simply the Feiyu-Tech SPG. Although with its universal design, I see no reason why any other brand smartphone can't be used. Let's put this to the test. Within the rather attractive package alongside a user guide, we find a smaller box containing a micro USB to USB cable for charging the unit, along with a single 3000 mAh battery. The only other item included is the gimbal itself, wrapped in a soft padded carry case. Sporting the Feiyu-Tech branding, opening the dual zipper design allows for the case to peel back and the gimbal itself to slide out. And as for the gimbal, this thing oozes quality. Upon further inspection, this honestly feels like one of the best smartphone gimbals we've tested to date. Matte black in colour and primarily metal in construction, the unit is light and seriously comfortable thanks to a soft rubberized handle, very grippy and just really nice to hold. An integrated 1/4" 20 tripod thread is located at the bottom of the handle, perfect for attaching extension poles or other accessories, while a second thread is located towards the top of the handle, great for mounting the entire unit to other objects when hand holding is not required. On the opposite side are the main controls, a directional thumbstick, which again is nicely shaped and comfortable to operate, along with a status LED just above and a mode and shutter button just below, the latter being used to control the smartphone without the need to physically touch it thanks to the unit's built-in Bluetooth connectivity. Finally, a rubber cover can be removed to reveal the micro USB port used to charge the included battery. Further up, along with some silver accents, are the 3 motors compensating for movement across all 3 axes. With some subtle branding thrown around, the panning motor rotates a full 360 degrees, the roll and tilt motors fall just short, although with the size of handsets nowadays you wouldn't manage a full rotation anyway, so this isn't such a problem. Finally, a clamp opens to securely grip onto a smartphone with its rubberized edges, a plus-sized iPhone taking the clamp to its limits. Although Feiyu-Tech market the SPG towards Apple iPhone owners, I see no reason why other smartphones can't be used, so it's pretty universal in that regard. With the handset securely in place, a lock just behind can be released in order to slide the entire arm along the roll axis, reason being to balance the handset as much as possible and reduce any unnecessary stress on the motors. Once balanced, the lower half of the handle can be released in order to insert the included battery before re-securing the handle in place. With that said, a quick tap on the mode button and within seconds it auto-calibrates and is instantly ready for use, compensating for movement across all 3 axes, ensuring the handset stays level and steady at all times. With the open back design ensuring the front face of the handset remains visible at all times, we have all the standard modes available to us, locking different axes as and when need be depending upon your shooting style and particular scenario. A quick tap of the button switches between modes, allowing smooth pans, or locking the panning motor altogether, keeping the lens fixed in one direction. At the same time, the thumbstick can be used to rotate the handset in different directions, all functions being silky smooth. There's even an underslung mode for those low-level shots. It all works wonderfully well. When it comes to actual real-world performance, the gimbal is almost flawless. Sensors detect movements across all 3 axes and compensate for those movements with high levels of accuracy. The sensor and processor inside the SPG actually perform thousands of calculations that allow the gimbal to keep the camera steady. The different built-in modes take a little getting used to, but once mastered, users are able to switch between them with ease, providing the ability to follow the action, lock the camera position, then unlock and pan around for example, with grace and simplicity, all while using the seriously convenient thumbstick to move the camera manually as and when need be. The entire system is highly versatile and works wonderfully well. Lengthy recording sessions have been achievable due to the lightweight and comfortable design, and the SPG produces some nice, stable footage, all rather impressive. As an added bonus, the brushless motors are completely silent. There's no vibration down the hand grip either, meaning users are able to capture audio alongside their stabilised video. Battery life is exceptional, easily outlasting the connected handset's fully charged battery during longer shooting sessions. There's no separate charger, although the battery is easily charged directly through the built-in micro USB port, so it's all rather convenient, with little extra to carry alongside the main unit. Simple to use, the Feiyu-Tech SPG 3-axis handheld gimbal is the perfect combination of precision engineering and electronics, incorporating super smooth and silent brushless motor technology that requires no maintenance, with full 360-degree movement on the pan axis, all incorporated into a very strong aircraft-grade aluminum structure. The Feiyu-Tech SPG smartphone gimbal is an all-round refined, sleek and versatile unit that's a joy to use. Although it's marketed directly towards the iPhone owner, I see no reason why any other handset can't be used. It covers all the bases and I seriously can't fault it. As with other gimbals, these accessories certainly aren't the cheapest, but if you're after a handheld smartphone stabilizing unit that's versatile enough to grow with your experience, this is certainly the one to go for.